We're here today at the University of Miami Ambulatory Care Facility in beautiful Miami, Florida. This is one of the first decks, Miami Echo Terrace decks, that University of Miami has spec'd. And the reason for that is self-evident. You just saw water flows under the planter wall, as you're witnessing right now. Water's dumped outside the wall and it flows into the planter wall, irrigating the planter, but not requiring additional drains here, there, as a traditional planter wall would. So the entire system, from the flat area to the planter walls, is completely permeable. It's made with 93% recycled content, shredded tire being the primary ingredient.